Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Nev from Nev's Tech Dump. This time we pull out of the dump an Asus H81M-E, and I find out the only thing wrong with this board, the only reason why it was being thrown out, is because its regular video card, there's something up with the video. And I think the issue is every time you go and you plug it in, you really have to, like, if you're plugging that in, you're giving it a lot, you're moving that, you're flexing it a lot, which is a really big goddamn fail. But hey, I guess it's good for me though. Oh, look at that, I pull it out and the fan goes out. So I get the really weird beep codes. I get really weird beep codes from this thing. And when I look it up, it's a little unclear. So that first beep meant no keyboard. That is the code to say that your video isn't working. So because of this horribly designed video port, this thing doesn't work. But if you give it a video card, it will work. So that's interesting. So come on, Asus. You know people are going to wreck this shit. You gotta be better about it. That's it for me, Nev from Nev's Tech Dump. Have a good one.